Merry Christmas to all of you out there. It's been a fantastic year for all of us. Like thousands and thousands of you I've spoken to personally all of 2025, and so many amazing lives have been changed. So many businesses have been built, so many bloodlines have been upgraded. And if you're sitting here watching this and you're not quite happy with how 2025 went for you, maybe you didn't achieve all the goals that you set for yourself, maybe things could have been a little bit better, maybe things were harder than you thought they should be. Don't give up, don't lose hope. Hope and faith and a mission are three of the most important attributes for you in this world, because this world is designed to distract people. It's designed to make people lose hope, but never lose hope. Why would you lose hope? You're the only person who can actually change your life. And I'm very excited about 2026. Obviously, we've got more vlogs coming and being declassified. Shout out to all of you for the support. More podcasts, more YouTube videos, more content going out for helping you achieve your goals. But we've got some other big moves, and you're going to be a part of that. Last year, we held about 4 different meetups around the world. I want to see more meetups, IRL. IRL is where it's at. Of course, the content stuff's fun. It's going to be filled with lots of energy exchanges and even more lives being changed. I need your help, though. I can't do all of this on my own. I'm not just some random dude with a cell phone that posts content. You need to be a testament to what is possible when you actually believe in yourself. And I know it's very easy, once again, to feel like you didn't really do much. But 2026 is going to be the exact same year for you. You don't actually try. And when I say actually try, I'm not saying that you need to have like 3 different businesses, you're going to have all these goals. No. Imagine if you just took 12 months and you solely focused on one core path. Why do you have this pressure on yourself to where you feel like you have to do a million different things all at the same time? Doesn't make sense, does it? Of course it doesn't. I want you to pick one core goal that you have for yourself in 2026. Just one goal, one core goal. Now, I'm not saying, so you're probably like me, you want to achieve things in multiple areas of your life, of course. But I mean, what is the one core mission that you have for yourself in 2026? Is it being able to quit your job? Is it being able to, let's say you're making some decent money and you're doing all right, but you want to do even more? You want to be able to live abroad? Great. Make that your goal. Make it your mission. Wake up every single morning and only think about that. Only work towards that. If you can put 2 to 4 hours a day towards one main mission for a 12-month period, great things will happen. Anyways, I'm about to head out. I just wanted to send out this video to all of you and say, once again, Merry Christmas from my family to your family. I appreciate all of your support, and I appreciate you being one of the few people that actually believes in yourself.